Hey guys, last fan of the night.
Last fan of the night.
Sorry, I had to. It's so stupid. Anyways, this is a Hunter original ceiling fan from 1984. It's got this really cool low-profile light kit on it. Low-profile boob.
One more fun fact. Like I mentioned in that Hunter Adirondack video, that Hunter original, the 36-inch original that used to be installed where the Adirondack is, this was actually the light kit that was attached to it.
That's cool. That's what it looks like without. Oh, man, that is blurry. There we go. And this is 3-speed.
1984 3-speed, so this was the first year for 3-speed.
Yep. Where'd the cane blades come from?
Well, originally, like, this fan has changed quite a bit over the past few years. I hung this in like summer of 2021, and I got this at Fanimation from, it was motor only, and I believe that was it. It had no down rod. As you can see, I have a polished brass down rod up there. I just got that from eBay just so I can hang it. I got mounting bits for it, and then at Fanimation of 23, I believe, I found this set of cane blades along with the irons, the brown irons, because originally this had polished brass irons. And also I got a canopy for it, because before, for the longest time, it had no canopy.
So it's basically like a ton of parts.
Yeah, pretty much.
To make an actual complete fan.
And it had cane blades before this, but they were in kind of rough shape, so I put this set on, and it's much nicer.
That's a really satisfying chain pull.
It also uses the old Leviton pull chain switch for the light. It's got that really hefty feeling pull to it, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah. And it's got that isolation ring, which helps with noise. And it really does. This is pretty quiet.
It's very quiet.
There's like a tiny bit of hum, but like it's almost quieter than like the spinner motor fans from the 90s.
And these ugly wires are just powering the other two fans surrounding it.
The royalty and the ERS. Right. And of course on high, it cranks hog. I mean air.
Yeah, this thing really is powerful. It's moving the curtains around and everything.
Yeah.
Let's not go ahead and shut it down.
Yep. Not a whole lot else to say about it. The original is just a common one, but tried and true classic. The light and cane blades definitely does make it a lot cooler.
Also, when I got this fan, it needed a full disassembly and cleaning because the amount of dust that was in the motor was just a complete disaster. And there was literally black sludge in the oil cup. It was so bad.
Yeah.
So.
Because even if people like oil the fans, they usually don't clean out any of the old oil.
Yeah.
So that just sits at the bottom.
I do need to clean the top of the motor again because it's getting some dust up there.
Looks pretty clean from
here.
From my view. So there you go.
Alright, that is all for this one.
Genuine Hunter Douglas.